This video shows you how to replace an easy cooler shroud. Prior to installation, please read the installation manual and all warning labels. At any time during installation, you can refer to the installation instructions for additional details. Here are the tools you'll need. Put on gloves and safety glasses before you begin. Remove the front panel of the water cooler by unscrewing the 4 screws from the bottom of the water cooler. Please note that for bi-level models, both lower front panels will need to be removed for this process. Turn off the water supply valve. Activate the unit to relieve residual pressure. Units with model numbers ending in 1, 1A, 2, or 3 must be removed from the wall to remove the basin assemblies. Power off the circuit connected to the cooler by switching the breaker to the off position or by removing the fuse to the circuit. Remove the cooler plug from the outlet. To remove the basin assembly from units ending in 1, 1A, 2, or 3, loosen the 2 screws on the bottom sides of the cooler, 4 screws total. Remove 2 screws from the top back of the unit to take off the L bracket. Remove 1 screw from the left side of the cross brace in front of the unit that retains the drain support. Disconnect water line A from the solenoid. Note that when disconnecting water lines, be sure to use a bucket or container to catch any water from the lines. For units not ending in 1, 1A, 2, or 3, loosen the 2 screws on both sides of the cooler, 4 screws in total. Disconnect water line A from the bubbler at the evaporator tank. For all units, complete basin assembly removal by disconnecting it from the drain trap. Lift the basin assembly straight up to remove it and disconnect the black wire to the cold control or power cord and the bubbler water line to the outlet side of the solenoid valve or the evaporator for bi-level units. Remove the 4 screws from the existing basin shroud assembly. Separate basin from shroud. Remove the rubber boot from the existing shroud. Attach it to the new shroud. Then reassemble the basin assembly back into the unit. Then connect the new shroud to the existing basin. For all other units, simply start by reassembling the basin assembly to them. Be sure to reconnect the black wire to the cold control or power cord. Connect the bubbler water line to the outlet side of the solenoid valve F, or the evaporator for bi-level units. Place the basin assembly on the unit. Replace and tighten the 4 screws, 2 per side. Connect the trap to the unit's drain tube. Turn on the water first, then power to the unit. Run water while covering the bubbler to prevent splashing. Check for leaks in the water supply and drain tubing. Repair as needed. Reinstall the lower cover or covers. You've successfully replaced an easy cooler shroud.